Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Tab Active, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Started. I do have a SIM ejector right here, though we will not need it. I grabbed it out of just kind of being used to it, but this device, it has a toolless tray. So if we grab it and hold it in this portrait mode with the buttons at the bottom, if you flip it to the side, the left side at the top, you have this tray right here, and all you need is your fingernail. There we go, and as you can see, it comes out. On the tray you have space for one SIM card right here and one SD card. So I'm going to start off with the SD card. You want to clip it in place, make sure it's completely flush on the tray. As you can see, if you flip it over, the card should not fall out. Same thing goes for your SIM card. There you go. As you can see, SIM card is also holding. So from here, we're just gonna put it back in like so. And as you can see, the SIM card is automatically being detected. It's telling me to provide the SIM card pin to unlock it, so I'm gonna do that right now. So obviously SIM card is working, and I already seen that the SD card is working as well, because we got a notification right here that SD card has been inserted. So there we go, both of the cards are working, no additional steps needed prior to, well, after putting it in. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.